wizard.
All right, good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a great day so far. Hope you're going to have a great day today. God bless all of you, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. I just want to thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate all of you. We're up to 120 now. We're pushing 125, only 5 away. So if you're watching the video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that noti bell so you get all the notifications. And thank y'all once again, man. God bless all y'all. Thank y'all for showing the love and support to just a little old guy like me. I really appreciate it. So on Bitcoin, we have reclaimed the daily VWAP. That money flow has come in. We're putting in a good deep anchor wave right now on the 15-minute, and this VWAP looks like she's gonna have a curve back to the upside. I think the 4-hour is putting in a potential bear div. Looks like we have a potential for the bear div if we're going to continue higher. I am looking at this previous monthly right here, around 89, 90K previous monthly, Q4 VWAP, okay? And it looks like we have the room to run, just like we had the deep momentum waves back here. Now this wave isn't as deep as this one yet. I don't know if she's going to get as deep. But just when you have, Flopping Groper was talking about it on his video last night, just whenever you have such deep momentum above the 60, man, you got room to run. If you've been watching the channel, you know whenever we see this, we say we have room to run. Groper, he calls it the runaway train, okay? So right now we're in runaway train territory here on the 15-minute, which means we could see price come down a bit and just continue higher as this momentum fades out. Just like we was talking about in the last video, we see as momentum got so high, we knew we could see price just keep going higher as the momentum faded, right? And then once you got that last little trigger wave below the 60, right there close to the 60, you see that money flow coming out. Boom, she comes down. You get some good bull divs, nice little anchor trigger off some bull divs. Boom, she comes right back up. Now you got the money flow in. There is money in the market. She is pumping. I'm looking at the next previous monthly VWAP, like I was saying, as our next price target to the upside. If we're gonna come down from 88K, it's been hell trying to hold 88K. If we're gonna come down from 88K, I'm watching for the previous day and obviously the daily VWAP right here. And if we're not holding these levels, then that would put into play a weekly leapfrog. But you do have the monthly right here. Okay, so if we're not holding these levels, I would be looking for 85.5, 85K to catch a little bounce from. Maybe you get some more momentum to the upside. But right now, we are in the runaway train area, and I want to see if this VWAP's. It does look like, you see here, she bounced right off that line. Now she could come underneath and just continue up. Money flow is super thick on the 1 hour. If we're looking at the 1 hour, money flow is super thick. We're still in runaway train mode, right? We never got a red dot, a little trigger wave right here. Our last red dot was above the 60. And this VWAP, even though she is curving down, she has plenty of room to ebb and flow above the zero line, especially with this money flow being so thick. So we can very well see this momentum as price gets higher come above the zero line as well. Now it may not get as high as what we've already had. Price could be higher. This could be a nice juicy bear div to take a short. You could be catching the top of the money flow as well. Okay, so that's something to keep an eye on. And if we are rejecting off the previous monthly and we're not getting above it, to shoot for that 92K area at that moving average, then I would be looking for the bear div here on the 1 hour to potentially take you back down to the previous day or the daily, maybe even that monthly or weekly VWAP. Okay, depends on how big that crash is going to be. But with money flow this thick, she's probably going to respect the levels and slowly drain if we are going to go to if we are going to decide to go lower. Now, when I say slowly drain, it could be very quick and very volatile. But just with how thick the money flow is, I just see her like creeping, maybe trying to bounce, losing, trying to bounce, losing. You know what I mean? So these are the levels I'm watching. That's what I'm looking for. I am long from 86, 86.7. I've already closed some of the trade. I got a little profit right there. My stop loss is an entry, and I'm still up almost 15%. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so that'll do it for me. Those are the levels I'm watching. Hopefully this long doesn't just get stopped out of nowhere. God bless everybody, man. I'll be back later tonight when the VWAP resets. I'm out.